안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Following last week, today I will introduce the rest of delicious dishes you can make with rice paper. These dishes are easy to make, tasty, and also good for your health. Are you ready? Let's get started. Cabbage egg rice paper dumplings. Thinly slice the cabbage. Rinse it once with water and drain well. Place the drained cabbage in a bowl. Julienne a small amount of carrots. Julienne a little onion too. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let it sit for about 10 minutes. I have some leftover chives in the fridge. I will chop them up a bit. After 10 minutes, a lot of water has come out of the vegetables. Squeeze out the moisture with your hands. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 3 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and a little pepper. Mix like you are making scrambled eggs. Once the eggs are somewhat cooked, add the vegetables and a bit of chives. Add about half a tablespoon of oyster sauce or soy sauce. Add half tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir fry the vegetables on medium heat for about 1 minute. Let it cool on a plate for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, soak a small rice paper in cold water and shake off the excess water. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cooked vegetable and egg mixture on the rice paper. Roll it from the bottom up, wrapping the ingredients inside. Fold in the sides slightly. Roll it up completely. I will show you again. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Once the oil is hot, place each dumpling in the pan. Make sure the cabbage egg dumplings do not stick to each other. Since the inside ingredients are already cooked, you only need to crisp the outside. Cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip each one. After another 2 to 3 minutes, your cabbage egg dumplings are ready to be served on a plate. They are so tasty on their own or dip in soy sauce if you find them a bit bland. Healthy and delicious rice paper egg cabbage dumpling is done. Rice paper kimchi pancake. Cut some ripe kimchi into small pieces with the scissors. Slice 1 green onion. You can also add a finely chopped pork belly or shrimp. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add about half cup of buchimgaru. If you don't have a buchimgaru, you can use a mix of flour and starch powder. Add 1 egg. Add water gradually, adjusting the thickness. About 6 tablespoons should be enough. The batter is ready. Let's cook it in the pan. Pour about 1 tablespoon of oil into the preheated pan. Once the oil is hot, add the batter. Spread it evenly and thinly. Cook on medium heat until golden brown for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip it over. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook the same way for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, it's delicious as it is, but if you want the kimchi pancake to be crispier, sprinkle a little cheese and place a wet rice paper over the kimchi pancake. Flip it over and add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Then cook for about 1 more minute on medium-high heat. Kimchi pancake can be cut with scissors or a knife. Crispy and delicious rice paper kimchi pancake is done. Rice paper kimmari. Add a handful of glass noodles in the boiling water and cook for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove the noodles and drain well. Place the cooked noodles in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of sugar, and a little pepper. Mix well. If the noodles are too long, cut them once or twice. Fold the kim in half and cut it. Fold it in half again and cut it. Place a piece of kim down and add a bit of noodles. Apply a little water to the end of the kim and roll tightly to prevent the ingredients from spilling out. Repeat the process. Briefly soak a small rice paper in cold water and shake off the excess water. Place the rolled kim and noodles on the rice paper. Roll from the bottom up, fold in the sides slightly, and continue to roll tightly. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Place the rolls one by one, keeping space between them to prevent sticking. Since the ingredients are already cooked, you only need to crisp the outside. Cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip each roll. They should be golden brown and crispy. Crispy and tasty gimbari is done. Spicy pork rice paper roll. This is pork neck. Thinly sliced pork. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some pepper, and mix well. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. To make the sauce, put 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of minced ginger, and some pepper. Mix well. After 10 minutes, heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the marinated pork and stir fry on high heat. Once partially cooked, add the sauce and continue to stir fry. Add some onion and green onions near the end. And sprinkle with sesame seeds. Doesn't it look delicious? Spicy and savory pork is done. Let me show you 2 dipping sauces. For fish sauce, chop some hot peppers and slice a bit of green onions. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, add a bit of sesame seeds. This is optional. And half a tablespoon of honey or sugar. Mix well. For peanut sauce, put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix well. Vegetable preparation. Thinly slice the red bell pepper, thinly slice the yellow bell pepper, thinly slice half an onion, cut the cucumber into appropriate sizes, and then slice thinly. Slice it again into thin strips. For a decorative touch, cut some of the cucumber into round shapes. Thinly slice the carrot into similar lengths and then into thin strips again. All vegetables are now ready. If you do not like a spicy pork stir fry, you can make it with shrimp instead. Wash the lettuce in advance and remove any excess water. Now let's roll them in rice paper. Soak the rice paper in cold water and shake off the excess water. Place a little lettuce on the rice paper. Add a bit of the main ingredient, the spicy stir-fried pork. Add a bit of each vegetable. Start rolling from the bottom up, wrapping the ingredients inside. If you want it to look prettier, place 3 slices of cucumber you prepared earlier. Fold the sides in. Continue rolling until completely wrapped. Beautiful spicy pork rice paper rolls are ready. Shrimp version. Place lettuce on the rice paper and add a bit of the sliced vegetables. Slightly cover with the rice paper. Place about 3 shrimps. Fold the sides and roll up completely. Shrimp rice paper rolls are ready. You can dip these in sauce or cut them in half to eat. The color is so pretty, served with a little fish sauce or top with a peanut sauce for a delicious meal. You really must try this. It's so delicious. Healthy and tasty spicy pork rice paper rolls is done. How was today's video? What is your favorite rice paper dish? Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.